What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Troy and Alex, T&A Adventures back.
What's up?
So we got an unveiling, unboxing today. No, it's not for RC stuff, obviously, because it's really huge. What do you think it is?
No idea.
No idea?
Bumper maybe or something?
Bumper? I don't know. So we just got it. I had to go to the post office and get it. It was too heavy for them to pick up. So I started to take it off and I said, I'm going to do a video with Alex and let's see what's going on here. So let's get this box off. And...
Oh, wow.
Right?
These are sweet.
Look, rock rails for my 2017 Big Bear Wrangler Unlimited. Yep, so I'm going to put these bad boys on. These are pretty awesome, right? Did you expect that?
Not at all.
He didn't even know I was getting them. So that's pretty cool. Autosaver88 on Amazon. They were $206. So yeah, not too bad. I didn't feel like spending the money on the big expensive stuff, you know, whatever. Try them out and we'll see. I'm going to do an install video on them also, but I just wanted to kind of do an unboxing of this. It does come with a little bit of an instruction booklet. It's not real hard. I looked it up on YouTube how to do this stuff. So yeah, we'll get that. We'll do the instruction video for you guys. And so like I said, we just want to come in, pop in real quick, do an unboxing. They seem really well built. Really no difference in the high dollar ones. They mount about the same. Just 2 points, 4 bolts. We'll see how good the bolts line up. Hopefully they line up real good. And we'll get them on there. So we'll see you in the install video, guys. Thanks for tuning in to T&A Adventures. Hit the like, subscribe, and the bell. Later.
See you next time.